Hi guys, my name is Sergey and I am the project manager of the Atlanta Turnkey Construction Company. We are local, located in Roswell, but like to build up on the mountains in the north of Georgia. So I'm over the project we have in Tolken Rock Creek Resort. This is one of the custom projects designed by our company and built from the scratch from our company as well. On our website, right here, you can check the page with the current projects and also projects which is available for sale if you would like to buy the building with the 35 years warranty. And now I will give you some more ideas why. From the beginning of each project, we really like to pay attention. Sorry, it was really windy yesterday, so it blew out the panels, but also you can see how light they are for the installation. But the landscape is the really important point of your future new construction project, because the landscape of the lot basically might give you the idea of the building design and the colors and even integration in between of the nature and the architecture. So this lot is actually going to be for sale in the beginning of next year, but you already now can give us a call and we can sell you this project with just 50,000 down payment. So basically this is a property line. It goes all the way down almost like 500 feet and then go through one small creek on the bottom to another side. So on the bottom of that project we will have a tea house or meditation deck or whatever you will call that, but all around we will have private trail or dirt bike track, which we're building right now. So we will just make a road all the way down, and also it will have some other trails for advance. It will go that way and we'll have some bonus over there as well. But here is the back of the main building, which will have 3 levels decking, and from almost every place in the house you will have this such a nice view. We also will trim some trees when we will start building the decks, because we would like to integrate the trees inside of the decks as much as possible, so kind of blend in the nature and the architecture. So let's say this main house built on huge footings. Basically this is a really rocky soil. We dug about 2 months just to get the site map ready. We also already have the foundation done, that's why you can see the gravel here. But basically we built in the rock. Then we have footings. They basically 3 feet deep, 3 feet wide, with the fiberglass reinforcement inside. Moreover, you can see on our Instagram, or not the Instagram, the YouTube, mostly videos from the job site. But then we have a drain all over the footer, and then we will just backfill everything. But this is our waterproofing membrane. It's overlap. You can see about 2 inches. And then we have another waterproofing with the extra insulation R value. This is 10 feet height ceiling in the basement. It will have a main office room with the radiant floor, and then media room with heated floor as well. It's actually radiant floor, so you can cool and heat it. Here is going to be the sauna. Then we have our mechanical room, which will be behind the sauna, but entrance will be right over here. So you comes in right here. Then you have huge space for the laundry, and then here will be your floor system control panel. Then through the laundry you're getting into the mechanical room, where you will have some equipment like a pump and other mechanical equipment, and behind the wall you will have a staircase. Go up to the first floor. So here in the basement we use ICF Insulated Concrete Forms and 8-inch of 3000 PCI concrete. And you can see the difference in between of your regular walls in the basement and this concrete. The way it's been getting ready, it's actually made a big difference and made it really stronger. So then you have the 2-inch insulation on the each side, which is the best insulation you can ever have, but it's also, this is a great soundproofing. And yeah, this is a basement, and basically when you will step into the media room, here is going to be the door to the office slash free use room, and then the media room, because this is the best soundproofing material you can ever use. And then everything will be from floor to the ceiling with the glass and a nice view from every level of this building. This property is 1.4, I believe, acre, with a nice landscape, and down there small creek. This property has a separate garage with loft studio, but this is like a free use space, and this is 1200 square feet, I believe, building. Basically this is a really nice looking barn house. Again, I would like to remind you, we design buildings, and any custom design might be built this way because we use the CFS, the cold form steel, and for the exterior walls we use 140 millimeters, which is like 2x6 for the better understanding. And this is how the stud look like. So in this garage we have 14 feet high doors, huge amount of space to get almost anything in it. That's going to be the best insulated doors you ever seen here. And it's going to be the epoxy floor. Open layout in such this room right here. At this point we will have a wall, and behind the wall we have some nice bathroom. But other than that, let's say if you just came home and park your car on that side, we're planning to have a bench where you can do anything you want to do. Then because of the wall for the bedroom, we will have a space for the nice closet. So here is going to be the door of the first floor, and then it's going to have the staircase over here and deck, 10-foot deck going this way. This area will be level, and we will have a probably like a fire pit area over here. So you comes in, this is your mudroom. Then you have a wall with the door. You open the door. Inside you have a vanity on this side with the beautiful window. One more window over there. Then behind the vanity you will have a beautiful big shower in the corner. Then the water closet, and then you will have your privacy room, some storage right here. So basically this is a beautiful Airbnb option for people to come and enjoy this beautiful neighborhood. I can bring your attention to our floor system. So we use in the stud system, we use 18 gauge cold formed steel. It's galvanized, and it will never get rust, it will never get rot or anything like that. So this is like forever frame, which will actually been, and later we will just insulate that with the Aircrete, which is the mix of the Portland cement with foam. So all the walls inside and the floor system will be filled with the Aircrete solution. Because we have the spaces, everything will be insulated perfectly, no any air gaps available. Every panel of the frame secured to the floor with anchors, and every panel marked. So that's everything is engineered and designed and factory made. But for our floor system, we use 16 gauge. And this is similar to 2x12 wood lumber, but it will never get any problem with water, rust, termites, anything like that. We build the houses with 35 years warranty. And stay on the channel, like, subscribe, ask questions, and check out our project. Come to see it in person. All details right here. I just went to see some other properties, and this is the difference between us. This is the crew setting just aluminum form for the basement, and the cost to set this structure is $18,000 and no installation whatsoever. We provide for the same price basement walls with the insulation already.